Ahoy mateys! So I just got back from a week in Campobello Island and visiting Lubec, Maine, and I visited some lighthouses. You can watch my Campobello video. I just posted it a few days ago, which is just across the border from Lubec, Maine. I did take a bit of a tumble. I went down to the beach and I was trying to get another shot of the lighthouse, and I had some rubber boots on and I stepped on a wet rock and I went tumbling into some rocks. So lesson learned, do not walk on wet rocks with rubber boots. But I got home and thought that it'd be really cute to make my own little lighthouse. So I went to the dollar store last night. I think I'm going to use this plaque as the base of the lighthouse and sort of give it a little water effect. And I want the lighthouse to be elevated, so I picked up some rocks. And you could use any rocks, but I just really like these pebbly gray and black ones. I picked up some more moss, and I want the lighthouse to be tapered, so I just picked up some cups. And I have a ton of leftover craft supplies, so we will see what I can come up with. What are boat send-offs? Tally-ho, ships ahoy, clear the deck, hoist the mains. I don't know if any of these are right.